Nice and beautiful. Welcome back in the kitchen one more time again. I'm just gonna explain it to you guys. These little simple recipe is just tips and ideas I'm just sharing with you guys. If you're at home and you want to do something for your lover, for your family, or wherever you know what I mean, you want to just make something very quickly. These are just some stuff I have left over, and I decided to just make some simple little ideas for you guys. So anyway, I got some chocolate rolled over left over right now at the moment, which I'm gonna show you how to make yourself a nice lovely, you know what I mean, chocolate roll with some ice cream and some with a little bit of ice cream, with a little bit of chocolate syrup on top of it. So basically this is it right here. So basically what we're gonna simply do is just cut off this part, because the part is a little bit messy. So we're not gonna use that part. Cut a nice lovely, this kind of, you know what I mean, chocolate roll. You can get them, you know, they come out probably one time a year. You can get them at the local shop supermarket. So you cut off a nice lovely beautiful piece like this. Try don't spoil it, you know what I mean. Basically I can make this, it's very easy to make, but you know what I mean, it takes a little time. I might give you the recipe next year Christmas. Alright, so basically that's exactly what you want to do. You don't want to spoil it, you want to keep it just like this. Simple. You don't need to use too much ice cream. Just a nice lovely scoop of ice cream will do it really well on top of it like this. So just on top of it like this, guys. Just a scoop of ice cream. And I have some biscuit right here where you can simply just put them at the side. And then simple. I got some chocolate sauce right here, milk sauce, milk chocolate, simple. Take a little time and simple pour it over like this. And then basically you can share it to someone, you know what I mean. If you're at a shop or a supermarket or whatever, just like tips and ideas I'm just sharing with you what you can do with things at home. If you're at home on a Sunday, or you make a nice lovely meal, you got some ice cream left in the fridge, a little bit of biscuit or something, you know what I mean, you can, you know what I mean, surprise your loved one with something like this. You know, I said this is what you see on the Chef Ricardo cooking channel, and I decided I want to do this for you. So guys, just enjoy it, you know what I mean. You can leave your comments, just tips and ideas. Alright, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Hopefully we can come up with better for the future. See you next time. Bye bye.